Welcome to this week's episode. So just gonna go straight into it with the exclusive clips I promised you in regards to my visit with Frank and Sons last weekend. It's gonna be very quick, just several little clips, and then stick around until the last segment of the video because I'm gonna show you exclusive clips of another project. All right, I'll see you there. Yeah, it's officially his now.
Nice phone.
So this brand has been getting a lot of hype lately, especially with the collectibles, the blind collectibles they've been letting out. My wife and me have been talking about them for a good amount of months, and she's actually been patiently waiting for the right time, right place, the right series and the right collection. And their most recent collaboration is actually with Disney. So this past weekend I was actually able to successfully get one of the Disney family blind boxes from Pop Mart. Apparently these things have been selling out 20 to 30 seconds from being put up on sale on the official website, and they've also been people have been lining up for them for 3 to 4 hours, or even camping out overnight just to try and get them, and sometimes not, but again I was able to successfully get one. And so here's us opening the one that I got for her, featuring my always amazing wife. Check it out. And we were able to get her favorite character. Only the best for the best. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later. A few updates. I was able to get a hold of the Rocket Bunny Cayman's builder, so he's going to keep me in mind next time he brings the car out, and hopefully we could work out a day and time that I can deliver him his custom replica. In regards to the build video of his car, his miniature car, I'm still trying to finalize the details with the editor, so hopefully that gets finalized sooner than later. And then one last update I have before we take a look at the Jesco and where that's at is I updated my website and I added a new tab. So it's called the Showcase Garage, and it's actually where I am highlighting all of my best and most memorable builds. So it's easier for you to actually navigate and see the details of each build. All you got to do is go to my website, click on the Showcase Garage tab. It'll have a list of everyone and their builds. It's also going to have a few artists and how I turned their vision into a 1/64th scale reality. And the final section in the Showcase Garage are my my build-off entries. Well, the build-off entries that actually won some awards. So definitely wanted to highlight those as well. Again, all you have to do is go to www.pd9customs.com, go to Showcase Garage, and check out any one of the builds you want to see. Click on View Build, and it'll take you to the original post. And that's it with that. Let's take a look at the Jesco and where that's at. Here is the Jesco now in its current state. It is pretty much ready for a new updated rear wing. So that's it for today. Please don't forget to check out my website, www.pd9customs.com, and check out that Showcase Garage. I hope you come back to take a look at the upcoming projects that I have going on. Still want to share the Rocket Bunny Cayman with you once that's finished. Want to share this Jesco with you once that's finished, and all the upcoming projects that I did tease in previous videos. You can see all that and keep up to date by following me on all social media platforms, and then also subscribing to my YouTube channel. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. See you later. And here are the teaser shots of that next project I was talking about in the intro.
Oh, the best trade in NBA history, depending on who you're talking to.
Yeah, that was wild.
Yeah, I remember my friends gasped. They were like somebody died, you know?
Oh yeah? That's how I was at like friendship, like, because we have a group that was like friendship playing basketball with me. And we were just like, oh shit. I forgot what I was saying, but yeah, it was like crazy.
Where were you?
Where were you? I think I would stick to $30 used tires.
Honestly, yeah. I mean, at this legal time, sure. Because I was like, look, like, you know, the less I could get a good deal for tires, you know, yeah, dude, I was like, oh, you know, like it's beater, like the BMW. I'm not gonna track it, you know.
Yeah.
And then like my friend had some RS4s on it, but he fucking wrecked, like, you know, he run it at so long.
And as you guys just saw, it's been a busy week outside of diecast cars. That was my 1986 Nissan 300ZX Turbo. And if you're interested in seeing more content on that car, please subscribe to this channel, as I'm trying to mix it in with my 1/64th scale projects, and I'll be posting as often as I can. That's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one. See you later.